5 things I wish I knew before going to a Philippine card show. So number 1 is most card prices you see are usually 1.5x to 2x the market value price. So nung umiikot ako sa show, napapansin ko talaga na parang ang taas ng value ng card na to. There's some cards na memorize ko na yung prices niya. So when I saw it dun sa, actually most vendors, it's twice the price. So do your due diligence when it comes to buying cards. Huwag na kayo maakit. Number 2, come early to find the best deal. So kami as a vendor, I was there as a vendor, we would be there like 8 o'clock considering na the show opens at 10. When we were going around, kayo talaga makaka-first dibs eh. So kunyari, you're a vendor in a Philippine card show, go around, check out the tables ng mga kasama mo, check out the cards that they have, the boxes they have. Malay nyo, makausap nyo sila, you can get good deals. And that's how you actually secure good ones, di ba? Kapag umiikot kayo, and especially if you're early. And some people actually get the VIP ticket sa mga card shows para makapasok sila na maaga. Usually, merong 1 to 2 hours na you can come in early. Number 3, always check eBay for the prices. Again, kailangan natin ulitin yan. Check eBay, check your favorite app, yung collector app for the latest box prices. Kasi syempre, that's how you protect yourself. That's how you get the best deals as well. So every time, kahit may sticker price yan, try nyo makipag-negotiate. That would help. And sometimes naman papayag sila mag-nego down to like 100 less, 200 less. Depende sa box or card. Number 4, have a plan when it comes to buying. Pag papasok ka sa card show, dapat may plan in mind ka. Wag lang yung kung ano yung makita ko, yun yung bibilin ko. That's how you overspend. So kunyari, meron kang PC of Kobe Bryant. Okay, maghahanap ka lang ng Kobe Bryant cards na para sa personal collection mo. If wala yun, you're not gonna buy it. And lastly, napansin ko, 99% of the value boxes that you see sa mga Philippine card shows are not that good. Usually, may mga cards ka na makikita na it's priced at 350 pesos when it's just supposed to be 50 pesos or 60 pesos. Unlike in the card shows sa US na nakikita natin, talagang pag value box, makakita ka talaga ng value box. It's really like $1, $2, and madalas it's below price. Madalas it's within the price sa US. Pero sa atin parang iba. I think yun pa lang sa mga card shows natin. Kayo, what do you guys think? Ano yung mga napansin nyo when it comes to attending Philippine card shows? Yun lang naman. See you all next time. Peace.